Just sat here. Welcome back to the channel. Just had my dinner. I just had jumbo sausage and chips. So she's had jumbo sausage and a few chips. Yeah. Just sat here now watching people watching. It's my new hobby. Yeah. The different conversations and the people that are rowing and arguing when they walk past you, and the ones that don't even speak. Yeah. I find it funny. I've only recently started doing it, so yeah. It's my new hobby. Oh, I haven't filmed much this morning, I know. Been in town, well, Wrexham, done some shopping, bought some jeans that actually fit me. Chuffed with that. Yeah. So 25% off as well. So yeah, I had a good deal with them. 2 pairs, and that was 25% off both each pair. So I had 50% in, you know. Yeah, very good. That there is the best chippy around. Josie's chippy. Yeah, he's one of my closest friends. So yeah, really good mate. So known each other for years and years and years, and yeah, it's just a bonus that he actually owns a chippy, him and his brother. Oh dear, what to do today? I don't know. I don't have to take her for a walk, but it showers, and when the showers do come, oh, they're heavy. The wind is horrendous. Yeah. Yeah, so I went to Wrexham earlier and I bought some jeans, 2 pairs of jeans that actually fit me now and look good, so yeah. I did mean to call in and get some trainers as well, just some cheap trainers, to save wearing cloth ones, to get a bit of warmer ones. And I forgot. Yeah, not to worry. I can wear my hiking boots for now anyway, so I'm not too bad. And they're warm. Done some shopping as well, got food, well, not so much food for me, but I got her dog food. Got myself one of those chili jam pizzas for the Ridge Monkey, you know, the one that fold over. Yeah, got the spicy one. Yeah. Yeah, I'll see if they'll sponsor me. That'd be funny. Bless her. She's sleeping still with her head up. Oh, it's a windy one. She's there. Go for a walk in the woods. Yeah, I'm hoping you can hear me. My bloody mic's charging. I've got to bloody charge it. So, yeah. Bear with me with the wind. Oh God, look at that river. Oh, is this a mistake with it? You gotta go for a walk, don't you? Stop shouldn't go in any you don't win. Is this another storm or something that I haven't heard of? See, I don't have the news on much now. So yeah. Get out the mud! Oh my God, do you know what? Only just come onto the walk and yeah, there's mud everywhere, water everywhere. Dear me, this wind is pretty bad. That there is normally a little trickle over the waterfall. Wow. Oh, sheltered now by all these trees. Yeah, that was pretty bad wind, that was. Near these trees creaking. Bloody hell. I can see this walk going tits up. as they say. You know that squeak then? Do you know what? Cool. Dear me. Yep. It's an absolute bog fest. Bloody hellfire. Oh, did you see that squirrel run across there then? I hope I got it. Oh, you seen it? See him bouncing in, sticking her chest out. She'd never catch one. I got no worries there. Dear me. Oh. Yeah, wind's picking up again. There they are. The mud's picking up. Jesus. Yeah, I got my raincoat on. A bit dazzling for you. Oh. Thought I was going in. Yeah, even these little paths, they're just slippy and mud. Dear me. Oh, look what she's in. Yeah, kinda knew it would be like this, but yeah. It says, well, it beats staying in the van, doesn't it? Filming in the van all the time, so yeah, just manoeuvre around this. She just walks straight through it, look at it. The whole paths are like this. Yeah, I'm shaking my head and laughing at her now, walking through all this, but yeah, I know when I get back to the van I'm going to be like, oh! Don't go by that water. Dear God. This is normally a little trickle stream. Oh yeah, it's higher up here, a lot, not so much mud. I hope this wind's coming through because it's horrific. You know when you have that feeling? Turn back. Yeah, I got that feeling. I don't know. There's plenty of these logs going across. I wonder if people actually walk across them. No, I'm not. I would be straight in. Got no balance whatsoever. This shoulder's going, go on, do it. This one's going, back it in, walk away. Sitch, get away from the bloody edge. You see where the banks are giving way here. Sitch! Jesus! Okay. Go on then. Stupid. What can you do? Oh my God. By the time you watch this, you'll be all tucked up in your houses, all nice and warm. Oh, bloody awesome. Oh dear. all this horrendous wind and yet it's blue skies. Feel a few drops of rain as well, and yeah. Oh, that's a poor deer. It's like mud and cow shit. Oh my god. Bloody hell! Holy crap! Yeah, let's go get a coffee. I've had enough of this. Bloody hell. Yep, let's go get a coffee. Oh, nectar from the gods, honestly. Oh, God. She's down there drying off. Towel dried her the best I can. Yeah, that wind, even in the van now, you can feel the van giving, doing that. So, yeah. I'll have to look on Google in a minute and have a look, see if there's a storm coming in. Yeah. It's a great time to be in a van. Oh dear. Yeah, she can stay there till she starts drying off properly. Had me coffee and yeah, what time is it now? It's 10 past, well, yeah, 10 past 3. So, yeah, it's starting to rain. I don't think you can make that out. But yeah, it's right miserable all day. Got band practice tonight, so yeah. I can't film that because it is just way too loud. My microphones will not take the punishment. I'll have tinnitus for 3 days. So yeah. Right. Go for a drive, eh? Let's see where we go. Good morning from the ledge. This is why I call it the ledge. It's got like a step down, and obviously you got, just makes sense, doesn't it? Then saying I'm on the Horseshoe Pass in a lay-by. Mouthful in it. So if I say I'm on the ledge, you know what I am. Great skies that way. And rain coming that way. Yeah, let's get back in, make a coffee. Because you all know me, always got time for a coffee. Good girl. It's just started raining, so yeah. You just know now. Greased it and WD-40'd it. Oh, it's smooth as hell. Yeah, it just started raining. Right, I'm going to end this one here. So I want to thank you all massively for watching my channel, subscribing to my channel, the amount of likes and shares I'm getting, and all your comments are fantastic. And the girl, yeah, she reads them all. And yeah, yes. And I pity the fool that puts a bad one. Joking. Take care, guys, and as always, enjoy yourself, be good, be safe, and yeah, I want to thank everybody that's bought me a coffee. Yeah. It's getting quite a lot now, so yeah, thank you, and thank you again. Take care, guys. Till the next one. Bye.